ठीक है सर।
So what we have discussed in previous lecture? Libel, flywheel, governor. What is the function of flywheel?
Maintain the fluctuation in speed.
To control the fluctuation of speed caused by fluctuation in engine. What is the function of governor?
Supply of fluid according to the speed.
Mean speed of
Governor regulates the mean speed of the engine causing by variation in load. Causing by variation in load. So in governor we remember three things. One is load, speed, and supply of fluid. When load increases, what happens? Speed decreases and supply of fluid increases. When load decreases, speed increases, supply of fluid decreases. So governor control the supply of fluid. Governor control the supply of fluid. First governor, centrifugal. How it works? How it works? By balancing of centrifugal force on fly balls. Governor axis, fly ball, sleeve, mass of fly ball is m, small m. This is arm and this is length. So what happens when load increases? What happens when load increases? Speed decreases, fly ball moves inward, sleeve moves downward, and supply of fluid increases. What happens when sleeve moves upward? Load decreases, supply of fluid increase or decrease? Increases. At upper stopper, supply of fluid is maximum. Supply of fluid is maximum. First governor based on centrifugal governor is Watt governor. We already discussed Watt governor. What are the limitations of Watt governor?
limit up to 60 to 80.
What are the limitations of Watt governor?
Speed.
Watt governor applicable up to 60 rpm speed. Up to 60 rpm speed. Above this speed, it fails. Above this speed, Watt governor fails. Because at that time no engine work less than 100 to 120 rpm. Okay. Now, today we discuss the next governor, named as Porter governor. To eliminate the limitations of Watt governor, Porter introduced his governor, which is named as Porter governor. So first of all, we draw the center line, which is governor axis. Arms pivoted on governor axis O. Okay. Next, some weight on the sleeve in Portugal. Weight has some mass which is capital M, very greater than small m, 10 to 15 times. 10 to 15 times. In fly ball, there is a centrifugal force which is m omega square r, and the weight of fly ball is mg. Weight of fly ball is mg. This angle theta. What is theta? What is theta? Angle of inclination of arm. Angle of inclination of arm. Now, capital MG plus minus small f by 2. What is that?
Static friction.
What is that?
Static friction.
Static friction. The value of F is positive when the value of F is positive when sleeve moves upward. Sleeve moves upward. The value of small f is negative when sleeve moves downward. Sleeve moves downward, and f is 0 when it is not given. Okay. So take an instantaneous center method. I, instantaneous center, extension of R. So this vertical distance we take A, this horizontal half distance we take B, and this horizontal distance we take C. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The angle of inclination of link is beta. Is beta. Okay? If this angle is beta, this also theta. This angle is beta, this also angle is beta. Understand the diagram? Clearly? Now, take a moment about instantaneous center I. Take a moment about instantaneous center I. What I write? Horizontal forces into perpendicular distance. So horizontal force is only one, which is centrifugal force, m omega square r. So m omega square r into perpendicular distance a. There is no horizontal force. Now vertical forces mg into c plus capital MG plus minus f by 2 into b plus c. Got it? Now divide both sides by term A. M omega square r is equal to mg into c upon A plus capital MG plus minus f by 2 b upon A plus c upon A. Got it? So what is c upon A, angle theta. So tan theta is equal to C upon A. So I write m omega square r is equal to mg into tan theta instead of C upon A. Okay? Plus capital MG plus minus f by 2. What is B by A? From this diagram, B by A. B A angle beta. So tan beta is equal to B by A. So tan beta plus C by A already tan theta. Tan theta. Understand? Now m omega square r is equal to, if I take tan theta common, then in bracket small mg plus capital MG plus minus f by 2 tan beta upon tan theta plus 1. Understand? Now m omega square r is equal to tan theta small mg plus capital MG plus minus f by 2 tan beta upon tan theta is equal to a term which is k. K is equal to tan beta upon tan theta. K plus 1. Note this equation is used in numericals. This equation is used in numericals. So when the value of k is 1, when the value of k is 1, from this diagram, when the value of k is equal to 1, what is k? Tan beta upon tan theta. When both angles are equal, when both angles are equal, then the value of k is equal to 1. When both angles are equal, when both angles are equal, when each arm of the governor are equal. Each arm of the governor are equal. Like this. When each arm of the governor are equal, then the value of theta is equal to beta and k is equal to 1. Understand?
Yes.
Now, further continue this equation. M omega square r is equal to tan theta. We take mg as common term. 1 plus capital M G plus minus f by 2 mg. 1 plus k or k plus 1. Understand?
Yes, sir.
M omega square r. From this diagram, what is r? What is r?
Radius.
Radius of governor. Radius of quarter governor. What is the definition of radius of quarter governor?
It is
It is the horizontal distance between the center of eyeball to the governor. This angle is theta. This distance is r, and this distance is h. So we write tan theta is equal to r by h. So m omega square r is equal to tan theta r upon h, mg 1 plus capital Mg plus minus f by 2 mg 1 plus k. Got it? Now the next step is we cancel the term r, also m. Omega square, what is omega?
5 by n by 60.
Angular speed. What is omega? Angular speed. Unit of omega? Radian per second. Omega is 2 pi n upon 60. And speed. And is what? Speed measured in revolution per minute. So further continue this equation from omega. I write 2 pi n upon 60 square is equal to g upon h 2 mg plus capital Mg plus minus f 1 plus k upon 2 mg. Instead of this term, this is similar to what? This term is similar to what? Governor. So to solve this term, n square is 895 upon h. Continue with this term 2mg plus capital Mg plus minus f 1 plus k upon 2mg. This is the equilibrium equation of water governor, which is different from water. Different from water because this term is extra in water governor. So the sleeve movement in water governor is larger than the sleeve movement in water governor. What is the limitation of water governor? The sleeve movement is limited or very small. But in water governor there is a sleeve movement. Higher the sleeve movement, greater the supply of fluid. Got it? Now take an example to know more about water governor. One of the student speak the first example. I will explain in both.
In a water governor,
Now, to know the concept of water governor and the application of water governor, we take a suitable example. See? Speak.
in a water governor, each of the 4 arms is
In a water governor. In a water governor.
each of the 4 arms
Each of the 4 arms
is 400 mm long.
is 400 mm long. What is 400? Length of each leg or arm is 400 mm. Next,
The upper arm are pivoted.
the upper arm, these 2 arms above the fly ball is upper arm. the pivoted at point O,
where the lower arms are attached to the sleeve at a distance of 45 mm from the axis of rotation.
where the lower arm is
Are attached to the sleeve at a distance.
attached to the sleeve at a distance
45 mm
45 mm
from the axis of rotation of each ball.
from the axis of rotation of each ball. So this distance is 45 mm.
Ball has a mass of 8 kg.
Ball has a mass, small m is equal to 8 kg.
And the load on the sleeve is 60 kg.
And the load on the sleeve, that means capital M is 60 kg.
What will be the equilibrium speeds for the extreme radii of 250 mm and 300
What
mm?
will be the equilibrium speed? What is equilibrium speed? That is m at
Extreme radii.
extreme radius of rotation. Extreme radius. This is the radius of governor or radius of rotation. What are the extreme radius?
250 mm and 300
R1 250 mm and R2
300 mm.
300 mm. What is R1 or what is R2? Which radius is minimum radius and which radius is maximum radius?
R1 minimum, R2 maximum.
R1 minimum radius. At R1 speed is n1.
Yes, sir.
At R2 speed is n2. You find n1 and n2. Given in this numerical, length of link, all link are equal. M 8 kg, M capital M 60 kg, extreme radius at minimum speed at maximum speed, at minimum speed and maximum speed. When speed is minimum? When the speed of governor is minimum, the fly ball moves inward or outward?
Inward.
Fly ball moves inward or outward?
Inward.
Fly ball moves
Inward.
inwards. Sleeve moves
Downward.
downward. When radius is 300 mm, when fly ball moves outward. When fly ball moves outward, the radius of governor increases, height decreases. Height decreases. When it moves inward, radius of governor decreases, height increases. Got it? So, how we solve this numerical? Anyone? How we solve this numerical? Recently, we discussed water governor, equation of water governor. M omega square R is equal to tan theta mg plus capital MG plus minus f by 2 1 plus k. This is the equation of water governor. In this equation, we have M, we have R, we have tan theta, we have a knot, tan theta, R on H, but H is not given. But H is not given. How we calculate the value of H? Pythagoras theorem. R1 given, which is 250 mm. Length of each link is given, which is 400 mm. So what is 250 square. This is it. Calculate first. H1 312.24 mm because 400 mm and 250 mm. Now m is given 8 omega 2 pi n 1/60 square r1 250 mm is equal to tan theta. From this angle tan theta is equal to r1 upon h1. R1 upon h1 because at minimum speed there is r1 of h1. At maximum speed r1 changes, h1 also changes. 2 mm is equal to tan theta r1 upon h1. Small m 8 g 9.81 plus. If friction is not given, then friction is 0. Capital M is given. What is the value of capital M? 60 into 9.81 upon 2. 1 plus. How we calculate the value of K? What is K? 10 beta upon 10 theta. We already calculate the value of 10 theta. But how we calculate the value of 10 beta?
251.45.
How? See the diagram. This is the angle beta. Now this is the angle. The value of length is given 400. This is not given. How we measure this distance?
A equals to h1.
This distance is 250 minus 45 mm. 205. Now we have two distance 205 and 400. We easily calculate this perpendicular distance. Calculate this perpendicular distance. Suppose it value f or g. What is the value of fg? Under root 400 square minus 205 square.
343.47.
343.47 mm. Now, what is tan beta? Upon 343.47. Calculate 0.59 and then theta.
0.80.
So K is equal to tan beta upon tan theta. 0.59 upon
0.80.
0.80. We easily calculate the value of K. What is the value of K? Calculate 0.73. Now in this formula, all the value we have K 0.73. M, small m, R. Now you calculate the value of n. Calculate fast. What is the value of n? 1. Fast. is the value of k is same for both the cases? Is the value of k is same for both the cases, minimum or maximum? It changes. Why it change? Because radius of the governor changes, angle of the governor changes, height of the governor changes. Okay. So the value of k is different in both the case, minimum or maximum. Now calculate first. What is the value of n1? 4.0 n1 square 2 pi n1 square upon 60. Calculate the square. 2 pi n1 upon 60 square. How you calculate? Next. 1 second. Now at 300 speed, m is same, omega 2 pi n2 upon 60 square r2. What is the value of r2? 300 m. Tan theta r2 upon h2, r2 upon h2. m is same, g same, capital M 60 given, g given, f is 0, 1 plus k. So the value of k is changing because the angle is changed at minimum or maximum position. At minimum or maximum position. What is the value of n1? Listen. Now, summarize what we have discussed today. What we have discussed today? Porter governor. Why we use Porter governor instead of Watt governor? Why we use Porter governor instead of Watt governor? To eliminate or remove the limitations of Watt governor. What are the limitations of Watt governor? It is applicable up to a limited speed, up to 60 rpm. Okay. So Porter introduced his governor, which is named as Porter governor. We derived the equilibrium equation of Porter governor. We find this term is extra term in Porter governor, because in Watt governor n square is equal to 895 upon h. So at high speed sleeve movement is minimum, but by multiply this term sleeve movement is greater in Porter governor